Good afternoon, students. So we will continue with our chapter number 10, Introduction to Programming C. So this is chapter number 10, Introduction to C Programming. So in previous class we discussed regarding basic things. C is a programming language developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratory of USA in 1972 and written by Dennis Ritchie. So if we talk about father of C language, Dennis Ritchie. So these are the basic thing regarding C language. So learning C, C is based to learn with different programming language like C++ and Java. So these are the basic things which are covered in previous class. So now we will move on next. These are the step in learning English language. If we talk about real word, so we have English language and Hindi language, and if we talk about C language, so we have lots of components available, alphabets, digits, special symbols, constant, variable, keyword, program, and instructions. So if we take an example of real word like English language, so English language have basic component alphabet and formation of alphabet, words, sentences, and paragraphs. So lots of set of rule available in English language, arrange as per rules, and deliver any information by using English language. So here we talk about C language. In C language, we know that programming language medium of interface between user and computer. So here lots of component available and set of rule for C language if we need to communicate user and computer. So uh, we we need to create instruction by using programming language. So here we will talk about C character set, and a character denotes any alphabet, digits, or special symbol used to represent information. Below table show a list for valid alphabets. So here C character set have three character set: alphabet, digits, and special symbols. Now we have alphabets, capital A to Z and small a to Z. Here when we talk about capital A and small a, so both things are different. If we talk about capital A have different value and small a has different value, so both are considered as a different thing. You can say C programming language is case sensitive, and digits 0 to 9. And if we talk about special symbols, so here hyphen, uh, at the rate, hash, ampersand, and lots of special symbols are available. And now we will talk about constants, variables, and keywords in C. So a constant variable or keyword can be formed from any combination of alphabet, digits, and special symbols. So constant, an entity whose value does not change the program execution, is called constant. So here examples are 5, 105, 3.142, 7.1102. So these are the constants. All these values does not change the program execution. Okay, so this is about constant. When we talk about mathematics, pi have pi has a constant 3.14 value. So when we required pi in C programming, so pi does not change the value of pi. So this is about constant. And variables. A variable is an entity those whose value keeps on changing throughout the program execution. So here if we want to take variable and uh, to execute any program, so variable can change as per your requirement. So this is about variables. So we will move on example. Here we have example. Let us take an example, and 7 is stored in memory location and a name X is given it. So when we talk about computer, so computer have lots of memory available, so all the details, all the data stored in computer at memory location. So we have two types of memory location: primary memory location and secondary memory location. So as per your requirement, when we talk about if we need to enter any document in MS Word, so we need to save this file. So before saving this file, we data will be in primary memory. If we store the data, this will move in secondary memory. So computer have two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Now we will talk about this example. 7 is stored in a memory location and name X is given to it. Then we are assigning a new value 9 to same memory location X. This value override the earlier value 7, since a memory location can hold only one value at a time. So here example, variable is X. So X is fixed, and if we want to change the value of X, so you can override on X. This is value. Here value of X is getting changed, but the value of 7 and 9 will never changed. Okay, hence is called a variable, and 7 or 9 is called a constant. So when we want to change 7 by 9, we cannot change these. Okay, and we can change only the value of X. X replaced by 7, X replaced by 9. So this is variable. So this is about variable. And now we will talk about in programming, a variable is a container stored area to hold data to indicate the storage area. Hence